Hi everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Mothmander. Okay, so I'm going to start out with a quick sketch, and I think I want to do something a little more flying with this one. Right? Make sure I get this head just right. Okay. And then I want him to be more flying at you. Since he's got wings, right? Sorry, I got a little quiet there because I was too busy drawing. Okay. Let's see. There's that hand. There's this one. We'll pretty much do the same thing over here too. Okay. Let's see. And I know you can't really see this, but this is mostly for me. It's just to make sure I'm doing it how I want, or I'm going to place it how I want. And don't forget anything too. Let's see. How about we do like that and like that. Okay? I know I'm saying okay like you know, but you have no idea, right? You can't even see it. Maybe I should get started so you can. Okay, so let's draw his eyeballs. I'm going to draw two big ovals like this. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the nose first since that's in front. Or not really the nose, but the little gas mask straight part, right? And so now I can draw the rest of it. I'm going to come from the top because that's where I want to bring it from. And do like that. And that way I know exactly where it's going to be. So now he's got like that collar thing that I'm just going to kind of do some little whippy details like that, you know? There's nothing specific. I'm just trying to do some little fuzzy little things like that. And you can do it exactly like I do, or you can just make it your own and draw some fun little things. And that way it becomes your own, and it's your style, right? This is how I draw, and you're welcome to do it, but you draw how you draw. You know, this is about you too. Okay, and so now that I know where that is, I'm going to draw the rest of his head. I'm just going to follow it around real quick. Okay, I'm going to connect that, and what I did here is I kind of whipped it around, so it's around and out like that, so it's almost like the wind blowing it that way. Kind of little fun, unique little thing that I'm just trying on my own. So now let's draw his little mothy ears. And I'm going to come up here, but I'm going to do some jagged little, almost like breaks in the feather type kind of thing. So I'm going to come up, break, come up, break. And see how I'm coming right back out to the same spot? Do something fun like that. It doesn't have to be specific. Just making little fun things like that to do. We'll do the same thing over here. So I'm going to come up and out, break, 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 break. Okay. And one's a little bigger than the other, but that's okay. We're adding our own unique flavor to it, so you don't have to worry about whether it's right or wrong. We're just going to have some fun. So he's got a jacket on, or a vest type jacket thing, so we're going to draw, and it's kind of at an angle because I have him flying at you, so just bear with me here. So I'm going to draw two pouches like this. Boop, boop. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw the outside of them down like that. Bring this one in like that. Then I'm going to come in and out. Okay. And so this will be the inside of his arms, like this. Okay. And that's his shoulders and the rest of it coming down that are holding it all together. So let's go ahead and draw his shoulder pads, which are kind of unique, but this one is underneath this fuzzy part because that's up on top. So let's go over here and draw this first so you see what I'm talking about. So this shoulder pad is going to come up like this, like that, and come down like this, and there you go, like that. And so since this connects, there's over his shoulder, we're going to draw that shoulder part right there. And so we're going to do the same thing here, but can't quite see it because of that. So we're just going to pretend we're going to do that, then come down like that. Pretend that's up there. We're going to come down like that and draw that there. So now we have his arms. So we can go ahead and draw his sleeves, because we know where those are going to be. Then bring his hands down, or his arms down, I'm sorry. And I'm going to do something a little unique here because he has bandages on his arms. So to make that stand out, I'm going to kind of do this. Not too, almost like I did up there. Not anything specific, but I'll show you why in a second. So same thing, I'm going to come down here to his forearms. And then here, let's close that off. So we'll close this off and then do something like that. Close that off. Okay. And let's draw his hands real fast. So I'm going to draw the back of his hands, some knuckles, thumb in, bring that finger down like that. Do the same thing over here. Real easy to do. Some knuckles, thumb, finger, and like that. So real quick, I'm going to show you what I was doing here. So since his arms are bandaged, I kind of like to do like that. So now I can do things like this. And it stands out and looks more bandaged because it has that outline like that. And you don't have to do exactly like I did, but this is just the way I do it. And you can do it how you want. I just kind of do it like that to make it look cool, and you can tell that it's bandaged, right? Looks pretty cool, huh? Okay, so I'm going to switch back over to, well, I'll do a little more detail while I'm here. I'm going to do, he's got like these buckles that are holding all this in. So I'm just going to add that real fast. Nothing specific. I'm just kind of adding a little bit of detail of the stuff that just makes it stand out and look good, you know? Okay, so let's move on to his legs. And he has a belt, but you can barely see it because of the way we have it angled. So I'm just going to kind of do that. That'll take care of the belt part. So let's draw his legs. I'm going to come down and out just a little bit because they kind of flare out just a hair. And I'm going to draw some straps. So I'm going to draw one strap across like that. And draw another one down like this. And he has them connected on the side like that, so I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw this other leg. Uh-oh, my paper's moving here, sorry. Okay, we're back on target. So let's draw the other leg too. And I'm going to do the same thing. It's going to kind of come out, poofy. Like that, and then close it up. Same thing. Draw some straps there. Draw another one there. Same thing, that's gonna kind of connect right there. That's what that one is, but that one's more flat. Then the straps back here, kind of like that's that part of the strap, but it's tied in, okay? So now we're gonna draw his knee pads, which again, this is over this, so you can't really see the whole thing, so I'm just gonna do that for a knee pad, okay? And draw the back of his leg, and like this. So this one is kind of facing going back, this one is straight across. That's why it's going to look a little bit better. Okay, so there's the bottom of his pant leg. Let's draw the bottom of his shoe. Okay, draw a little bit of tread. Then I'll take care of that one. So this one his back, this one is straight down. So this one you can see a lot more of. So we're going to draw a big knee pad like that. We're going to draw his pant leg like that. The other side of his leg like that. And same thing, it'll be the top of his foot since he's kind of flying at you. So the back of his heel's back there, so I'm going to come out like this. Draw his toe like that. The tread. And that'll take care of that. So I'm going to add a little bit of detail for the shoe. Just so you can see the top of his boot like that. I know I kind of did that kind of weird, but I decided halfway through that I should draw the top of his shoelace part like that. And he's got some straps holding the buckle like that. Let's do another one holding the buckle like that. So it just needs some color. But that, let's do an artistic line like this for his pants. Okay. Alright, that takes care of that part. So now I just gotta draw him some wings. Let's see. So these will be pretty simple because there's detail in it, but we're going to do that with color. So we're just going to draw the outline of the wings, okay? So basically I'm just going to come out like this. Go up like that. Same thing here, this one's out like this. Straight up, and that is Mothmander. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.